Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering off the monitor or PC and unplugging the power. This prevents shorts and protects components. Once done, inspect the VGA plug. It has 15 pins in 3 rows and 2 threaded thumb screws. Make sure to clear any nearby cables so you have room to work. Now use your fingers or a small flathead screwdriver to turn each thumb screw counterclockwise until loose. Do this slowly so you don't strip threads or twist the cable awkwardly. Now that screws are loose, support the connector body with one hand. This prevents stress on the cable jacket and internal wires. With your other hand, finish backing out both thumb screws until they no longer catch. Once clear, grip the molded connector firmly, not the cable, and pull straight back with a steady, even force. A slight wiggle helps if pins are snug. Make sure to pull along the connector axis so pins don't bend, and pause if you feel resistance to reassess. After removal, inspect both the cable plug and the monitor or PC port for bent pins, debris, or damage. This prevents future connection problems. If the cable will be stored, coil it loosely and secure with a tie. Don't kink it. If you're leaving the port empty, use a dust cap or protect it with a cloth. If a pin is slightly bent, straighten with a fine needle carefully. If pins are badly damaged, replace the cable to avoid electrical faults or poor signal.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.